Okay, let me share my screen. So we'll go to the Adobe Forms today. Adobe Forms.
These are Adobe Forms.
This is Adobe Forms. Do you see my screen?
Yeah.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
So forms are two types. There are actually three types. This is the founder forms concept. So this is the forms. Printable documents. One was old concept SAP scripts. SAP scripts. Second one is smart forms. Smart forms. Third one is Adobe Forms. So Adobe Forms. Scripts we don't use much now. The old forms only we will be using. Smart forms and Adobe Forms extensively currently using in the projects. Clients. Projects means the clients. Whatever the client doing the things, okay, as a part of the projects, we will support them. If it is a new project, new SAP implementation, new SAP software adoption to their business, we call it a new development project. And suppose if you are giving a support for the existing business process, business activities in SAP, we call it a support project. That's the concept. In smart forms, Adobe Forms. Okay. So Adobe Forms are output is PDF. PDF output will come. PDF output. Will come by default for Adobe Forms. Adobe Forms. Also, these are interactive forms where user can edit the fields of the form and send data back to the SAP system. It's a very important point. This is not our scope because we cannot simulate that in the training system. The interactive form and send back data to SAP system. Also, designing is more easy in Adobe Forms than smart forms. Spot forms. Okay. And flow is the same as smart forms, some smart forms only, but we create a separate interface here. This is our web program. This is your Adobe form. Okay. And here we will create the interface separately. This is the interface. And this will be the functional model output. This is a functional model. Functional model output of once you execute the Adobe form, function model will come, and function model you are going to call in the web program. The same procedure how you call in the smart forms. Only thing here is Adobe form is separate, interface is separate. Interface means in the smart forms, interface. If you see smart forms, let me share my SAP system. Right? Suppose if you take a smart form here, there is a form interface here. This one is part of the smart form, but whereas in the Adobe form, it is a separate one. So they made it as a separate object, we call it separate one. Okay. What could be the advantage? What could be the advantage? Can you hear me? Hello?
Like advantage of what
Yes,
again?
sir.
Wanted to?
What do you mean by advantage again? Like
Purpose. What is the having the purpose or advantage of having the interface separate here?
like in
This
like a global settings is like form interface like that.
correct. Global interface. So reusability. Basically, this interface can be used in the multiple programs, forms, not programs, forms. We'll see once we do one application, we understood. Go to here. We'll create one Adobe form. Adobe form can be created through SAP T code. SAP. SAP. SFP. This is the T code to build the Adobe form.
So NSFP makes the .t form. Is that what you mean?
No, /n is because we are overwriting the session. N is not part of the T code name, transaction code name. Transaction code name is only SFP.
Okay.
Why /n I'm giving is I want to overwrite the previous session, not required. For that reason, previous screen you can say. Now, for example, if I go from here, I don't need /n. I can go directly to SFP. SFP. This screen will come. Here you give the information, the what data you want display, that structure should be defined here. The
So your mic's kind of off. So Sir, your voice is not clear at all. No, it's like really like squeaky. We can also not hear. It's like mutter squeaky. I don't know a good word for that. No, so it's still just not working. Like we can hear you, but it's like really like a really childish voice. Like that's the only way I can describe it. I just can't.
Better?
Yeah, now it's better. Yeah, it was like really squeaky noise.
Now I removed my headphones. Okay.
Yeah, it's better now.
Okay, good. So we go to here. So we will create here the interface. The purpose is data information like you can do different things here. You can create a data objects, nothing but variable, work area, internal table, where the data you can pass from the program, or you can build the data for those data objects inside the form itself, inside the interface itself. Okay. Now I click on create. I think already existing. So I'll give today's state. Click on create. Okay. Description. Adobe form interface for material data display. Save it. Choose the package here. Save it here. Enter. Okay. Now here you can define the parameters. Okay. So import parameters. I'll define, for example, material type, material number. P underscore material number is the object variable. Data type MATNR. Okay. In the global data, I will define one work area underscore Mara to get one record from the database. Work area underscore Mara type, right? So either I can refer to global data types or I can define in the smart form Adobe form itself. Go to types here. You can give here types here. Types. Types. Begin of TY underscore Mara. Material number type Mara hyphen MATNR. Material type Mara hyphen MTRT. Material group MATKL. Type Mara hyphen MATKL. Units of measure, you can give one more field. MEINS is the units of measure. Type Mara hyphen MEINS. End of TY underscore Mara. Save this one. So now you have defined one structure type here. Now you can define the global data type referring to the structure what you created. TY underscore Mara. Check syntax. Right? No syntax errors. You can write a code here. Same as a smart forms. What you have written the code here. If you remember the smart form here, same thing here, like you are doing here, global definitions. So you can define here in the type structure the field names, structure types. And here you are written the code, first examples, the same way you are doing here. Here you can give select single star from Mara into Vakiri underscore Mara, where MTNR equal to P underscore MTNR. What this statement will do exactly?
Select single record
Single record from the
from
data,
Nara.
right?
Nara. Yes, sir.
For a given material number.
Yes, sir.
For a given material number, it brings one record. Why only one record? Because
We used to select single statement.
no, even if I don't use select single statement also, will it bring more than one record or only one record only for a given material number?
Only one
We
record should be
given
okay.
condition parameter only one record.
No, not because of the parameter. Think other way.
Work area plus only one record.
No, instead of work area, if I give into table, think of Mara table structure. How many primary key fields part of the
Yes,
primary?
single primary
Single.
key.
So for a given material number, always single record will be there. Hence, you get single record. See here, because if you go to Mara, this is where the concepts of primary key will come into picture. Just check Mara, C11. Mara table, display, contents, records. So here, material number is unique queue. So only you get one record only for a given material number. Means when I search the table, this table, for any specific material number, it gives only one single record only always. That's the concept. Okay. Check syntax. Select single star from work area into work area where Matner equal to P underscore Matner. The type of database table and work area or internal table. There is a mistake, right? What could be the mistake? See this statement and see this statement. See, this is the declaration part. This is the data query part. What is the difference? What is the not the difference? What is the mistake I'm doing?
Specific fields mentioned.
Correct, correct. Because star means all the fields it is trying to get there. All the fields are not there in this work area. In this work area, I defined only 4 fields only here. Only 4 fields. 1, 2, 3, 4 fields. But whereas I'm trying to go select star. Star means all the fields. Hence it's not compatible. This is the meaning actually. So you can make it here. Stuff star give the order. Material number, material type, material group from Mara. Now check it here. See, activate now. See now activated. Okay. Now you have to create one form as well to place the data. Design, you have to design the form. Go to form, copy paste. You can give the same name. Click on create. Okay. Go short description. Material information data. Okay. Now here to this place you have to drag. If you see here import parameter, you will define what you have given in the form interface section. Okay. You can drag this one to here. Material number has come here. Okay. Now to display the data, you should see, you will be able to see in the global data stack under global data. This is called node in the SAP terminology. This is a node. Under this node import, under import you have the material number data object. Under this data object query underscore Mara. Data object means nothing but the data which is stored in the runtime of the program, like a variable, work area, internal tables in SAP. These are called data objects which stores the data in the runtime. Now I can move this one as well to here. Now these are available to place on the layout. Check it here. Go to layout here. Check. Click here. Right here. This is the data where you place it. Go to here. Right. Data preview view. You can drag here the output fields here. This is the input output fields. And you drag the work area here. Save it. Check syntax. Warnings. Okay. Activate. Oh. I never come across this one. Let's see. I'll use the password. AP to be. It never asks in general. This is first time I'm seeing this pop-up coming. This at the rate. Tell me the password. I will type. Not on this one. PASS at the rate 5500, right? Not on this one.
Yes.
PASS at the rate.
Sir, P caps
Yes, yes. At the rate.
5500.
It's not accepting. Capital PASS. PASS at the rate.
5500.
5500. Okay. Then I think I will execute this one. Okay. I'll pass the material number. So I'll go to table Mara. So I'll pass this material number. So this is the same as print preview. Because we don't have the actual printer configured, we use dummy printer here. Some error is coming here. I have to check with the vendor. I'm checking out, just wait 2 minutes. I'm trying other option as well.
Okay, sir.
So let me check the standard server. Standard Adobe Forms also is there. Standard means SAP provided for the practice purpose, for demo purpose. Let me check that one. Same problem. This problem is with server only. Let me try one more user ID. No. So we cannot continue. The output you will not be able to see. Okay. Stop recording, Ganesh.